Good morning. It is about 6:30, August 30th, 2020. Out here walking my dog, Samson. Come here, Bulldog. Out here walking around, and we noticed something just crazy, something I've personally never seen before. Driving around the neighborhood before I went and took the dog for a walk. And we have had about 4 or 5 inches of rain over the last couple of days. Just something crazy. And there is a downed tree. This tree's probably 30, 40 feet tall. Pretty wild. We'll see when we get up here. I haven't seen anybody else out here. I know other people have seen it. My chainsaw's down for repair right now, so not currently operating, but just thought you guys might want to see this. I mean, this tree fell perfectly. I mean, you can see the entire root ball right there. I went and looked at it a little closer earlier. It's a pretty shallow root ball for as big of a tree as it is. It's pretty wild. But it fell perfectly. I mean, it took out that one branch. I don't know if you can see it right there on that tree, but that's it. I mean, it came down perfectly. Missed the other trees in our yard. I mean, it must have been very, very loud. I don't know if these people are gonna wake up to a surprise or if they've already heard it. Just a quick video I wanted to share. I thought it was really interesting, so here, we'll go this way. Come on. He doesn't want to go. Come on, bud. He does not want to navigate through this. I mean, I walked through my yard, and just walking through my grass, I sunk probably 3 inches just because my soil is so wet. I can only imagine what these people are dealing with. I really don't want to go in their yard, but I mean, you can see this root ball, just really wild. Never seen anything like it before. I'm sure it's not that rare of a thing, but you're out here in a residential neighborhood. It was a surprise for sure. But anyways, just a quick view of this tree. Pretty neat, pretty scary, but looks like everybody's okay, and and they just get a new spot to seed. Looks like they recently seeded with some looks like ryegrass, so I'm sure they're not too upset. All right, green stuff guys. Over and out.